Have you ever stopped for a second and wondered, what is the most powerful thing in your life? It's not your phone, not a computer, not even artificial intelligence. It's your brain. The human brain is one of the most complex and mysterious creations ever known. Every thought you have, every memory, every emotion, every decision starts inside this incredible organ. And the crazy part is, scientists still don't fully understand everything the brain can do. Your brain works every single second of your life. Even while you're sleeping right now, your brain is still active, processing information, controlling your breathing, organizing memories, and keeping your body alive. The average human brain weighs only about 3 pounds. That's around 1.3 kilograms. But despite being such a small part of the body, it uses nearly 20% of your body's oxygen and energy. Think about that for a moment. Only 2% of your body weight. Yet it consumes 1/5 of your total energy. That alone shows how powerful and demanding the brain really is. Inside your brain are around 86 billion neurons. Neurons are tiny nerve cells that constantly communicate with each other using electrical and chemical signals. Every time you think, move, speak, or feel emotion, billions of these neurons fire signals across your brain at incredible speed. In fact, these signals can travel up to hundreds of miles per hour. Your brain is basically like a living supercomputer, but far more advanced than any machine humans have ever built. Another fascinating fact is that your brain is made mostly of water and fat. Around 75% of the brain is water, while much of the remaining structure is fat. That's why staying hydrated is extremely important for focus, memory, and mental performance. Even slight dehydration can affect the way your brain functions. Now let's talk about the major parts of the brain. The largest part is called the cerebrum. This section makes up about 85% of the brain. The cerebrum controls thinking, reasoning, language, problem-solving, memory, and voluntary movement. Whenever you solve a problem, make a decision, or learn something new, your cerebrum is working. Then there's the cerebellum. This smaller structure is located near the back of the brain. Its job is to control balance, posture, coordination, and smooth movement. Without it, even simple activities like walking, typing, or catching a ball would become extremely difficult. Another critical part is the brain stem. This is the connection between the brain and the spinal cord. The brain stem controls automatic survival functions like breathing, heartbeat, blood pressure, and digestion. You don't have to consciously think about breathing every second because your brainstem handles it automatically. And honestly, that's amazing. Your brain is basically managing thousands of tasks every moment without you even realizing it. Now here's something most people find surprising. Your brain has 2 separate halves called hemispheres. The left hemisphere is mostly linked to logic, mathematics, language, and analytical thinking. The right hemisphere is more connected to creativity, imagination, emotions, music, and artistic skills. Both sides constantly work together to help you experience and understand the world. But now let's get into some truly mind-blowing facts. First, your brain cannot actually feel pain. That sounds impossible, right? But it's true. The brain itself has no pain receptors. This means the brain cannot directly feel pain. Most headaches actually come from nerves, muscles, blood vessels, or tissues surrounding the brain, not the brain itself. Another unbelievable fact is the brain's memory capacity. Scientists estimate that the human brain can store around 2.5 petabytes of information. That's roughly equal to over 1 million gigabytes of memory. Imagine storing millions of books, videos, and memories inside a single organ. And somehow, your brain manages it naturally. Your brain is also incredibly energy efficient. While you're awake, your brain can generate enough electrical power to light a small bulb. That means electrical activity is constantly flowing through your nervous system every second. The human brain is also constantly changing and adapting. This ability is called neuroplasticity. Every experience, habit, thought, and action helps shape the structure of your brain over time. That means your daily habits literally affect the way your brain is wired. The more you repeat something, the stronger those neural connections become. So if you practice positive habits, learning, focus, and discipline consistently, your brain slowly adapts and becomes better at those things. But negative habits can also strengthen harmful patterns. That's why your daily routine matters more than most people realize. The foods you eat, the sleep you get, the stress you carry, the content you watch, and even the people around you, all influence your brain in some way. In many ways, your future is shaped by what you repeatedly allow into your mind. And maybe the most incredible part of all this is that despite centuries of research, the human brain still remains one of science's greatest mysteries. We've explored oceans, we've built rockets, we've landed on the moon. Yet the human brain still holds secrets we haven't fully discovered. Inside your head right now is a universe of thoughts, emotions, memories, intelligence, creativity, and potential. A machine more advanced than any technology on Earth. And you carry it with you every single day.